poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You already know who it is. Welcome back to Vlogmas. So your girl is here. As you see, she still has the hair paint wax. Look at this, y'all. It be bleeding. But I'm about to get ready to wash this out. So if you feel like your girl look rough, believe me, your girl looks rough. Y'all, so you know what, that just made me think about Shamar say she think it's funny how I always be cracking myself up. But yeah, so I never did actually style my hair with the hair paint wax, and that's because, like, literally, let me show y'all. So I'm just gonna fluff out my little ponytail, right? And yes, your girl is just waking up. This is how my hair has been. So look at that. Hopefully you guys can see that. So, you know, just touching my hair, the dang on wax is transparent. So I'm like, baby, I'm not even about to style this because I've just been trying not to touch my hair. But I haven't seen too many videos of people washing their hair paint wax out on YouTube. So I'm gonna bring y'all along today to show y'all how this washes out, let y'all know what I think about how it washes out. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this to come out of my head, stay tuned for this video. But in the meantime, don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you are here and you're not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray, and let's get this started. Alright, hey y'all, so as y'all see, I just grabbed the shampoo, which is Eden's Bodywork Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo or something like that. Don't quote me, but I am going to go ahead and do my first wash with that because it is more so like a clarifying shampoo. You'll see that I did go ahead and wash my hair 2 times. Both times had some kind of tea tree in the shampoo because, you know, that's how your girl roll. But I did just want to give you guys a little glimpse of me actually washing it so you guys can see how the process went. I know y'all see all that color just falling. It's crazy, but at least we know it washes out. That is the whole purpose of this video. But I don't want to talk you guys to death, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish, and I'm going to catch up with you guys at the end. Alright y'all, so my audio when playing this back was trash. So your girl had to come on and do a voiceover. So right here I'm just showing you guys my hair, and you know, when I thought I got it all out, I could see in the footage that in that back is definitely still a little bit of residue. But for the most part, I would say I got at least like 95% out. Like when I was like rubbing my fingers through my hair, I didn't really see much, but I did see some spots in the back. And then when I took my braid down, I did have a little bit there, which I kind of expected it because I had the braid. But like I said, it was nothing too serious. It wasn't like, you know what I'm saying, it was bleeding onto my hand like it was before. But I also wanted to talk to you guys to let you know that the crunchy feeling that, or it wasn't even really crunchy, you know what I'm saying? But it definitely wasn't my soft hair that I'm used to touching. But I believe that was maybe me using too much of the product. Usually when I see people do these videos, they're usually using like half the container, and I use damn near the whole container, okay? So I probably used way too much. But this is what my hair is looking like. It was feeling back to its normal self. I don't feel like it did my hair any harm. But right now, your girl is about to take this braid down and get ready to do a quick little braid out. So that video will be coming soon. So you guys make sure you stay tuned for that. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video can help those out there who do have locks or natural hair or any kind of hair, and you are using a hair paint wax. It does wash out just great. I'm sure you guys saw all of that in the shower. But be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys have not already. Don't forget to drop me a comment or two, and I'll check you guys in the next video.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to